Hey there, welcome back to netgamedev.com, your largest collection of Unity networking samples, tutorials, and resources. In this video, we'll teach you everything you need to know about network animations in the new netcode for game objects. I hereby inform you that this will be the last networking tutorial for animations you'll ever need to watch. Let's get it. Now, in the last video, we set up player controls. But once you set that up, you soon find that you have this moonwalking mess of a character. Yeah, we definitely can't be having that. Alright, let's fix this straight away. So to do this, we'll select the player's prefab, so the one that has the animator component attached to it, and we'll go ahead and add a new network animator component at the top here. Once this is added, we just need to assign an animator component. We'll do this by dragging the exact same prefab into the animator slot and select any of the animation parameters that you want to be synced across the network. I'll go for all of them here. And when we play the game again now, you can see our animations are syncing over to the client properly. But when we try the game from the client side of the picture, well, you can see we still have some moonwalks going on over here. Now, fixing this is actually quite complicated in netcode for game objects. I have seen some simple tutorials on the Unity website that seem to explain how to do it, but they don't really work. So I've got a really nice solution for you. You can use the link in my description to head over to the resources section of my Discord page, and among the resources you'll find the netcode for game objects package. Go ahead and click this link, download the package, and import it into your project. So once you import this package, what this does is it adds a few new scripts to your project, and we're going to go ahead and remove this network animator, and we are going to replace it with the netcode animator component, which comes with the package that you just installed. So these netcode tools packages are a collection of packages that I've created to really simplify working with netcode for game objects, and you should go ahead and take advantage of them. Once again, we'll assign the object with the animator, and again, you might not believe it, but it is just as easy as this. Let's go ahead and get back the client and test it out. So now you can see that even when I animate from the client side, the server can actually see the animations working properly. Now, I did promise that this would be the last network animation tutorial that you would watch, so I'd like to get a few things out of the way because we've gone through this concept really quickly. So network animation in Unity at the moment is still a bit weird. The samples that they show on their website work in certain versions, although I particularly wasn't able to get them to work. And that's why I created netcode tools. You can use this collection of tools to really simplify your network programming, along with a lot of other resources that I'm going to be sharing. So go ahead and make sure you stay tuned in that Discord server as I continue to make updates to this netcode tools collection, and I hope I'll catch you in the next video. Be sure as well to subscribe to this channel if you liked how quickly and to the point this tutorial was, as I will be making more tutorials of this sort every single week. Peace out.